How to add song to Instagram story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add song to Instagram story. First, go to the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon right next to your story to add a new story. Select a picture or video from your gallery. Next, you need to tap on the sticker icon. Here, select the music. Now choose a song which you want to add. By tapping on playing icon, you can also play this song. After a few seconds, your music will be added. Tap on done to continue. As you can see, our music has been added to our story. Now tap on this arrow and then select the option of your story. By tapping on share, your story will be posted. Lastly, select done. So this is how we can add songs to Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.